let's talk about cleaning stuff. Woo! So welcome back, guys, to another Wash Wednesday video. This time is episode 5. The last episode was really late, and that's because we had to travel, pick up a car. So I'm showing you guys that. We're gonna, don't you worry. We're gonna show you some cool stuff. You're gonna really enjoy it. So right now, with the winter weather kind of coming to a close, it's getting a little bit lighter every now and then. Not light enough, so it's still... But the truth is that we're having a few more dry days than we are dirty, wet, snowy days. Although today we're not outside cleaning because it's snowing. So go figure, that's Okay, so what I want to do in this video is just show you guys a really good range of products that help you protect your car through the winter season, make it a hell of a lot easier to keep clean, and honestly, these are the products that I use, and it makes cleaning your car, keeping on top of it, a hell of a lot easier. So let's just go ahead straight into it. 2 minutes on the clock, and we're going to stick to it this time, so let's just go. Okay, so the first product I want to show you guys, you've probably seen it in a previous video, if not, link above. It's the Wonder Wheels Colour Magic Super Duper Wheel Cleaner stuff. This turns like an iron out. You spray it onto your wheel, turns the whole thing purple to show you that it's actually doing its job. Leave that for about 5 minutes to soak, jet wash them off, use your hose pipe, you are golden. And by the way, this is really good. So moving on to the next thing, sticking onto the wheels, they're a very important part. A lot of people spend a hell of a lot of money on your wheels. So Poor Boys Wheel Sealant. This stuff smells like watermelon. It's pretty damn good. Super like slick. The best thing is that this is like no effort. You rub this into your wheel and then let that cure. It'll go kind of powdery looking. Wipe that straight off and then your wheels are sick for the next 2 to 3 weeks. You do not have to worry. You can just roll up to your jet wash, blast them wheels back down, and they're protected. So if you haven't already tried Poor Boys Wheel Sealant, give it a go. Makes keeping the wheels clean super easy. Okay, so your wheels are super clean right now. You need to be able to get that water off your car as quick as possible. If anything like what happened to me in winter time, sometimes that water is actually frozen, made it an absolutely impossible job to keep clean. Using the Finesse Aqua coat, you spray this on liberally, plentiful. You spray this stuff on a lot. Like, that's why the tub is so big, because they know you're going to use it. Cover your car in this stuff, let it dwell for literally about a minute. Grab your favorite microfiber. Woof! That water's coming straight off, one stroke, and you are good to go. So you've cleaned the car, you've cleaned the wheels, everything's dry. The next step, especially in winter, and this is an important one, taking the extra time and using a polish. This is the Glym Super Resin Polish. Super easy to find. Go to Halfords, go to any brick and mortar sort of shop. These guys sell this. I think even like Tesco's or Walmart, they'll definitely stock something like this. The beauty of this is that it's cheap for all paint types. You don't have to worry about it being like specialist for a certain car or a certain paint style. All you have to do, apply this, let it go a bit misty, wipe it off. You're gonna thank yourself for it later, because this is gonna keep your car looking sick for at least 3 weeks. And I mean, I never don't have this. But moving on. Okay, so it's getting cold now. You guys are thinking I should probably go home. Your girlfriend or significant other is telling you, how have you spent so much time playing at the car wash? A problem I have quite often, using a high quality wax, something like Jay's Wax ceramic wax. So I picked this stuff up at the show. I think these guys have a Facebook page. You can't buy this in the shops, but I think any wax will do. I always prefer the hard waxes, so that it gives you, I think you get more for your value of money. You definitely don't spread it as much. And this stuff is apparently meant to last you a whole year. You just apply it once and then you're good to go. If you're anything like me, someone's going to roll up and you're going to be down at the car wash wanting to pull everything off anyway, so whatever. But this stuff will give your car that extra glossy shine, protect it, especially up against the salts, against the road grime and all the water and nasty stuff. So for an extra, like, you know, 20 minutes, apply something like a HD wax or ceramic wax. Nothing's going to stop you guys. So that was some pretty cool products right there. If you follow those steps and just get all those products in, best thing is you can use these products all the way through summer as well. It's not exactly like it's dedicated just to winter. So really, you're gonna get your money's worth out of using them. Just keep your car clean, guys. You can't beat a clean car. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching. This has been a 2-minute Wash Wednesday video. 2 videos up top previously. Just a really quick thank you to all the new subscribers too. We've had like a really big bounce in subscriber and watch time. But at the end of the day, as long as I'm making content that you guys enjoy watching, that's good enough for me anyway. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, I will see you soon. By the way, next episode is going to be another feature car video. So if you missed out on the Elliott's AE86, you should go watch it, because it's been an absolute killer of a video. This time it's going to be a Rocket Money M3, also known as a Pandem. So be sure to check it out on Sunday. It's going to be sick. Catch you next time.